So yeah, we had an earthquake recently, and here are a few of the casualties. So the G.I. Joes always get knocked over, doesn't take much. Star Wars figures. Ninja Turtles survived pretty well. Most of them are, a few of the Cassetrons. Eject there fell from the top shelf. He looks like he's alright though. So yeah, fun and games when you have an earthquake in Japan. These guys up the top have survived. One fell down. It's a bit dark in my G.I. Joe collection, but surprisingly, the G.I. Joes are a few casualties there. A couple of fallen troopers on the side. But yeah, got out of jail a bit, I think. Hopefully the next one's not too big either. See ya.